Well, folks, we want to thank you for all the support you've given us making the GLE Sotion motor one of the hottest selling motors in the market. Obviously, a world-class motor, game changer. So a little bit about the motor and its capabilities versus the stock motor. The stock motor obviously gets really hot at around 10,000 watts and loses torque. It also doesn't have as much bottom end as most people who would prefer, especially if you're doing enduro or motocross. So this motor is actually currently capable of peak 30 kilowatts. We've tested it, but today we're going to run it kind of slow. We're going to run it at around 14 kilowatts, which is still 40% more than what a stock motor can do. You can go higher, obviously, if you have a bigger setup. A little bit about this setup. This is a 16 by 19, so 16 inch in the back, 19 in the front. We're running the latest and greatest Fast Ace suspension, much better than what a lot of people have been doing with the Fox Forks. This is a lot better spring action, a 60-pound spring. We've upgraded the brakes to 250 millimeter rotors. Obviously, with more power, the first thing you want to do is be safe, and that's getting bigger rotors. The rotors are on the link in the description. These rotors pack a punch. You do not have to change your calipers, but they do provide a whole lot more stopping power because of the bigger diameter and the bigger leverage. So definitely check those rotors out. A little bit more about the bike. The bike is running a Molicel battery. That battery will also be sold on our website. The link is in the description. It is a 72 volt battery with genuine Molicels. But what's unique about the battery is we've used 2 millimeter copper welds. None of the batteries in the space currently use 2 millimeter copper welds. We did in order to transfer that power from the cells to the controller. The controller is running God mode. It's the latest and greatest firmware. Came out in 2024, and it's really turning heads and really taking this motor to the max. So let's go check it out and see what she can do. If you got any questions, feel free to ask us or shoot us an email at support@glengineering.co. Again, that's support@glengineering.co. This motor is now available for all Surrons, and it's also going to be available for the Talaria. So come check us out. Get your motor upgraded, and we provide the complimentary new firmware and God mode, which really will take your performance to the next level. Well, she performs like a dream, even in this stuff here. So, a lot of fun, increases the fun factor, definitely worth it. Until now, GLE Sotion $7.99, link is below.